Hi there, so today I'm going to be talking about this. This is a chainmail cast iron cleaner, and I have several things that I have that are cast iron, and I often need to clean them, and I don't like using soap or anything on them, so this helps to get them nice and clean. So let's go see what we got in the box. We have a nice little dish that you can keep your cast iron cleaner in. We'll just put that there. We have the cast iron cleaner itself. Very cool. That is really on there and nice and tight. Doesn't seem like that twists or anything. And it also gives you some scrapers, which are kind of cool. Because sometimes you don't want to fill this up with food, and you can use this to scrape off the stuff on your cast iron. That's kind of neat. I'll go ahead and put that up there in my little dish. So I've got my cast iron pan here that I just used. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to use some water, and you can see it just helps to really get the junk off of your cast iron without using any soap to ruin its finish. And you can see that came out nice and clean, still giving it its finish, so you're not getting rid of that. I don't really feel anything left behind, so that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and throw that up there. And I also have a bacon press that I use it a lot for more things than just bacon. And that should just fit right down inside those little grooves. That's nice. So you can't be upset about that. So then you just basically wash it off. Now what's cool about this is you can hit this with the soap and wash that off if you want to keep it nice and clean. Because you don't want to keep the food in there, because then that will get nasty. Go ahead and spray this now. And there you go. Nice and clean. Got a nice spot for it. So now I got something to clean off my cast iron stuff instead of a sponge, which never seemed to work very well. So if you're looking for something like that, check it out. Especially if you've got a lot of cast iron. I don't think you can go wrong. That's pretty cool.